Darla. Welcome to my channel and welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming by and subscribing. Thank you everyone again. I don't know how many times I've thanked you, but thank you again for making my birthday giveaway so much fun. That was so much fun. I'm going to do it like that next year. Yes, many of you said, yes, do one like that next year too. So I will. And there will be 3 winners next year. Okay, like there was this year. All right, so all the winners contacted me and your parcels were sent out last night. I emailed each one of you to let you know. So yeah, I hope you enjoy everything I sent. One moment, please. What's my coffee doing over there? All right. Okay, hope you all have a cup of coffee or tea or something. Sit back, relax. I have a yarn haul. Very small. I had bought some of this Loops and Threads Joy Decay a while back, not that long ago, and I had showed it on my channel. It was in Wildberry color, I believe it's called. And then Michaels put all their yarn on 30% off. Okay, well, I just had to get some more. So I did. All right, so I will show you what I got this time. It's the Loops and Threads Joy Decay again. This is the label. Loops and Threads is a Michaels house brand. And there's 85 grams per ball, 232 yards in each ball, and I got 6. It's machine wash, warm, tumble dry, low, 100% anti-pilling acrylic. It's a lightweight 3. Recommended hook is 5mm. Needles is 4mm. And this color is Pina Colada. So it's got grays and whites, or kind of a very light cream, I would say. Grays, whites. I mean, very light cream. There's like a beige in there, some lighter gray. Yeah, so I decided to go with a different color this time. Pretty neutral. And this stuff is very soft, very nice to work with, because I'm working with the other color, the Wildberry, which has purples and reds and things like that. Really pretty. It's squishy. Now, because of the way they put it into a ball, they put a string through it. And sometimes the yarn comes unhooked, it'll fall off, especially when you're working with it, and it will knot up if you're not careful. So I should have, and I do suggest, if you have a ball winder, to cake it up before you start working with it. Yeah, might save some headaches. Okay, so 6 of those. And now this next yarn I got, I've never had before, but I've heard so much about it. People seem to really like it. And it is the Red Heart Unforgettable. And this is the color is Dragonfly. It's got purples and like a tealy turquoise. Did I say purples? That's blue. Okay, let me look at it from this end. Yeah, like a turquoise and blues. I guess some of the blues almost look purpley in places. Yeah, but what is that on there? I don't know. Fuzz. How did I get fuzz on there? Must be from the store. Because I had it in a bag tied up since I bought it on Saturday. So, okay, there's 100 grams in here, 270 yards. Recommended hook is 6 millimeter. Recommended needles 5 millimeter. It's a medium 4 weight. Machine wash and dry, 100% acrylic. And like I said, the color is Dragonfly. So I bought 6. 30% off. So I'll tell you the price of this one. This is in Canada, so don't freak out. Red Heart, this Red Heart Unforgettable was $5.59 each. That's 30% off. And then the Joy Decay was $4.89 each, and that's 30% off. And that's all I got. Yeah. Yeah, so Michael's has the curbside pickup thing. I wonder, we're under lockdown here because of the C word. So, stores that you can go into that sell food have their shelves all marked up with caution tape. The non-essential items you're not allowed to buy. If you happen to grab something, take it to the register. The cashiers are supposed to tell you, no, you can't buy this. This is non-essential, and then the fight is on. I feel really bad for those cashiers because they probably take a lot of flack from people. You know, I always think, you know, you want to treat me like that, I'm out of it. It has nothing to do with me anymore. It has to do with you and God. So I just hand it over to God. Here, this is yours. Deal with it. And that's it. Done. I don't worry about it anymore. I'm not a cashier right now, but I used to be. I used to be. Alrighty then. Sometimes people, rabbit hole. Sometimes people would say to me, you know, this is cheaper at so-and-so store. So I said, oh, well, if I were you, I'd go buy it there. They don't expect that. And they're like, no, I'm here already, I'll take it. Okay. Oh, so the curbside pickup. Yeah, Michael's has the curbside pickup, which I really, really like, actually, because you order online, you pay for it. If you have a credit card, you can pay for it. I don't know what other means you can pay online, but use a credit card, and then they send you an email. They tell you it's ready for pickup. You drive there, you get it. You know, they bring it out to you, and that's it. I like it because there's no impulse buying on my part. Because I would have bought a lot more yarn, I'm sure, than 6 of this and 6 of this, because all yarn was 30% off. That's on Saturday when I went there. So I'm sure Michael's doesn't really like the curbside pickup because of the same reason. No impulse buying. Well, there will be some, because people will see stuff on their website. Oh yeah, I want this, I want that. But when you're in the store, it's crazy. I know I'm like that. I'll be like, oh my gosh, I need a paper pad. Oh, I like this one, I like this one. Which one should I get? Well, I might as well get both since I'm here. Anyway. So that is my yarn haul, plus a little bit of chatter. Oh, and what am I wearing? This is something that I designed. I will put the link below to this top. Yeah, it's crochet. I made it with True Blue yarn, but you can use any yarn that's like cotton, 2 weight. Yeah, so this is it. I made it big so it'd be comfortable, and it's just something just to throw over a tank top. You know, just to look a little fancier when you go out, or to, you know, look nice for your video. So yeah, I'll click my tutorial below, and I'm actually working on another tutorial using the Joy Decay yarn, but in the Wild Berry, which was the purples and reds I showed you before. So there's going to be a tutorial. This is already Wednesday. I don't think I'll have it out this week. Probably next week. All right, so watch for that. Yeah. And there's Hetty back there. Thank you, Hetty, for helping me look for my winner, one of my winners for my birthday giveaway. If I paid you, you would get a raise. But I don't pay you, so sucker. Just kidding. I love you, Hetty. Okay, thank you so much for joining me again today. One of my, like, you're my YouTube family, right? You're all my sisters and brothers, and I love you all. Amy. Amy, oh gee, I can't remember your last name. I believe your first name was Amy. She called me a nut. On my last video there, she commented, Darla, you're such a nut. Yes, I am. I just burst out laughing when she said that. Amy Davis? Is that your name? Amy Davis. Anyway, I will link you below. I don't know if you have a channel. I don't think you do. I'll have to check that out too, see if you have a channel. But I'll link you below, I guess, if, you know. All right, thank you so much. I'm just looking at the time, 11 minutes. That doesn't include my intro and my outro. That adds another 8 seconds or something. Whew, I'm hot. Anyway, so what are you all working on? Have you ever used this yarn before? This Red Heart Unforgettable? Have you ever used the Joy Decay Loops and Threads? Can you get this in the States? Yeah, what did you make? I would really love to know. Have you used this color? And they call this a medium 4, right? To me it looks quite thin, but I guess there's a bit of a halo, so they probably count that. Yeah. Probably, right? All right, everyone. Yeah, let me know what's on your hook. I have a tutorial on my hook, and there was something else I was gonna make too for a tutorial, but I don't know. Anyway, there will be tutorials. There will be other giveaways too. If you're new, I love crochet. That is my first love. I also do paper crafting, making cards. Let's see, can you see my shadow box back there on the wall? It's a coffee shop inside my kitchen. Yeah. It's a little restaurant thingy, I guess, because we sell hamburgers. There's hamburgers on the table. All right. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm sure you have other videos to watch. I know I do. I'm trying to catch up on the traveling hook ones. I think I'm caught up, actually. All right, so I'll see you guys next time. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.